Okay, face ready, hands together, normal expression. Hi. Today we are going to be baking zesty garlic pork chops with roasted sweet potato, spinach, and apple salad. The ingredients we're going to be using are pork chops, 2. This is for 4 people. The boneless. Sweet potatoes. There are more sweet potatoes. Balsamic vinegar for the apple salad. Zesty garlic blend ×2 packaging. And 2 apples. With some Dijon mustard. Ooh, that's it. And we got it from Chef's Plate. So the first one we're supposed to do is cut sweet potatoes and then into 1/2-inch pieces. Then to a parchment-lined baking sheet, add sweet potatoes and 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons for 4 people oil. Season with 1/2 zesty garlic spice blend, salt and pepper, then toss to coat. Roast on the middle rack of the oven for 16 to 18 minutes, flipping halfway through until tender and golden brown. This is what it says. We also preheated the oven. Preheat it to 450. So we're gonna be waiting for it to be done preheating. Okay. So we're gonna first get the rinsed potatoes. So first we're gonna rinse potatoes. We rinse it because it's clean, so they're clean because nobody wants dirty potatoes peeling it. So it'd be gross to have something like this when you're eating. And now we're gonna dry the potatoes by using paper towels to pat it down. So we're gonna be cutting it into half like this. Cut it in half, then we'll cut it into halves again. So we're gonna put some salt on it. We're gonna put some salt on it first, on the potatoes. And we're gonna put some pepper. And half the zesty garlic sauce blend.
Yeah, use scissors.
So we're going to use scissors to cut it open. Okay. And that looks like about half. But first you have to put oil. So this is 1 tablespoon. And this is 2.
Now we're gonna shake it.
And now we're going to get some oil and put it inside the tray. So we have to spread it out, the potatoes, and then we're gonna put it on the middle rack of the oven. So while you're waiting to dry, add seed blend to a dry, large non-stick pan. Put a seed blend over medium heat.
And now I'm cutting it open.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can say that's enough.
Toast for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring often until the seeds are golden brown. Keep your eye on the seeds so they don't burn. You wouldn't want that to happen, right?
Yeah.
So right now it's golden brown, so we'll be putting it in some salad.
Throwing it into the plate.
And we're gonna be chopping some apples that they gave to us.
Yeah. And you can use your own apples if you have apples at home.
And then we're putting the apples inside here, there. And then we do it to all the apple slices. And then we want to take the seeds out for these ones too. We did to the other ones, but. And then cut it into small pieces. Tasting one of the apple.
Yeah.
And one half of a teaspoon for 2 people, 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
We're gonna pour some balsamic vinegar into it. Weird, it looks like soy sauce. We're also gonna put some salt. Pepper. Some sugar. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Also 1/3 of a tablespoon. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. One tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Apple already. So, and we see the seasoned it with salt and pepper. Check. Dijon mustard. Check. And vinegar. Check. So, we put baby spinach.
I'm gonna put all that inside here.
Add baby spinach. Dumb poker. So, this was too small of a container. So we needed to pour this into a bigger container.
I'm gonna learn how to scoop the dressing into this.
So you have to put baby spinach, apples, and we're gonna need to put some sweet potatoes too, the roasted ones that we had, and then we need to toss it. And we're going to be mixing. Not now. Can you come and not do that? Sorry. So we're going to be mixing the salad. We haven't put the sweet potatoes in yet. These are called tongs. For the roasted potatoes to be done, we're gonna put the salad in the fridge. It smells good.
Look,
2, 1. So we put gloves on here. We put gloves because when we check the sweet potatoes, we need thick cooking gloves so we don't get burned. Let's see. Let me see. By using a fork to see. Yeah, they're soft though, right? It's not soft yet, but it's getting pretty close to being soft. So,
just put it back in the oven.
yeah. Yeah!
While we're waiting for the roasted sweet potatoes, we're gonna be cooking the pork.
For now, we're just gonna clean up. Yeah. We're still gonna be using the tongs to put the sweet potatoes in, so. We're gonna check the sweet potatoes again. See, they're ready. It's on something that's making it sure it doesn't touch the marble. Is it soft?
Yeah. Taste test.
It is soft. Okay. We're going to be cooking the pork, so we're going to be cutting the meats. Okay, so we're going to be taking the pork out. And my brother's going to do the second one.
Taking the meat out.
And we need to pat it down, make it dry with a paper towel. Garlic bread. If you think it's too much, you don't have to, but we're going to be putting the rest of it aside. Just a lot. Salt. It even smells like garlic bread. And pepper.
Or something.
Okay, we just gotta take the pork chops out. And we think they're all ready and coated with Zesty Ranch, salt, and pepper. We're gonna be using a cast iron grill. We're going to be using this one. So off, ignite it, and then go to medium heat. Oh yeah, medium-high heat. Okay, we're gonna be putting 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread it. Just gonna. I need to wait until the pan is hot. Then we're gonna add the pork. You can clean up your surroundings and stuff. And I think we should put the lid now. We're gonna turn the pork chops over. They're golden. Now we're gonna wait until that is golden and ready to cook. So right now we're going to check the temperature of the pork chops with a few temperature sensors. If it's for the pork chops, if it's above 145 Fahrenheit, and all of them have been going over 145 Fahrenheit. We're going to add the roasted sweet potatoes to the salad and then mix them up. So we're gonna toss the salad down. Mix the sweet potatoes in. With the plates. And maybe some leftover salad. We'll be cutting the other ones. Sprinkle some of this on all of them. We're gonna taste ours to see if it's yummy or not. And it tastes delicious.
Yeah.
And the salad, even better. According to the ingredient recipe sheet, it will take 30 minutes to cook. And even though it took us more than 30 minutes to make this, it was worth it. And
Really
thanks for
worth
watching. Yeah. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
To our
Bye.
channel. Bye.
On. I gotta turn the game on.